Hey guys, it's Caleb here with MarineMax Lake Norman. Today I want to do a walkthrough video with you on this brand new 2024 Harris 250 Cruiser. This is the SLDH layout. It's got the gray or the sage green exterior with the matte black accenting. You got the black powder coated fence rails. This one we added the docking lights to on the fencing. It's a full tri-tune. You got the underskins under the deck, keeps your wood deck protected, a little smoother ride. Full lifting stripes, interior and exterior on the tunes as well. Makes it more smooth and more efficient. And you'll notice this is the saltwater edition too, so it's got the additional anodes. So if you wanted to take this on the coast, you'd have no issue doing it. It's really built for anything you're willing to throw at it. Back here it's powered by a 200 horsepower Mercury outboard. You got plenty of room on the back deck as well. Nice swim ladder back here. Great spot to hang out at the sandbar. And then we'll transition out on the inside. I'll show you some of the features inside. And then transitioning to the inside, you'll see we have the lounger in the back here. It's a super popular layout. This transitions, so you've got the rear facing lounger as well. This is going to go flat if you want to kick that up into a full lounger. Really versatile. You'll notice also the ski tow pylon in the back if you want to do tubing and skiing. And this is all gated in, so this rear facing position is also legal while you're underway, which is something definitely to note. You also notice the bimini on this thing. It is a full power bimini. Super convenient for going under bridges, getting into your lift, anything of that sort. Very convenient feature. You'll notice the lighting throughout. All the cup holders are illuminated, even under the benching in the front. You got lights up there. Super cool aesthetic. And then moving to the helm area, you know, it's got dual helm chairs. Both of them are on bolsters. Swivel, slide, recline. And the helm here, you got it's the 5-inch Simrad. So you'll have gauge clusters, you'll have mapping, sonar, really anything you'd want to do. You have the DTS throttle there for connected to the 200 horsepower outboard. Little wireless phone charger here. Gauges that are really, or the switches are really accessible there at the helm as well. It's powered by a JL Audio stereo head with Clarion speakers. Awesome sound stage for the boat. Really turns up. And moving towards the front, you'll see you've got the built-in table here. So if you got snacks or drinks or putting out a little spread for the kids, really convenient to have. And then moving to the bow, you'll see the spacious seating. Tons of storage underneath all the seats. It's all water managed, so nothing's gonna get wet on you if you get caught in the rain. Also notice you got USB ports throughout as well. So wherever you're sitting on the boat, you got a USB and USB-C there to keep your devices charged. But again, this boat is available at MarineMax Lake Norman. I'd love to have you here to check it out. If you guys are interested, give us a call, stop in the store. We'd love to see you and talk some more about it. So love to see you here, and thanks for watching.